Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am having a special guest with a special box. I just got home from work, changed into my pajamas, and Kinsley said that I have a prize. So what's this, KK?
A box.
What's in the box?
Makeup.
Makeup is in the box. You want to help me open it? You don't want to help me open it? You do? Okay. So this is September's Boxy Charm box. Gonna go ahead and open that bad boy up. Alright, we gotta get the paper out first. This is wildflower is the theme for this month. Alright, what's first? Some makeup brushes. What are these? Eyeshadow brushes? Ooh. This is the Alamar Cosmetics. Okay. This is the Alamar Cosmetics brush set. So we have a fluffy blender brush, which is what KK has. We have a flat liner brush, which is this one right here. And then this one is just a flat painter brush to put stuff on our lids.
This is makeup.
So this says retails for $18. Next we have some Laura Geller blush, and this is Baked Blush in Brighton. And the color is Tropic Hues. Very, very pretty. Put on your cheek. Oh yes. So this retails for $28. And remember, the Boxy Charm box is only $21 a month. So already we've got our money back. Next we have our palette. It's called Nightingale by Pretty Vulgar. And this is an eyeshadow palette. It retails for $35. We've got a bunch of different shades here. And I love all these colors. This is my normal go-to look. I don't do the brights like we're in last month. This is more where I stay in the nudes. And then, you know, the darker areas for the outer corner if I want to get smoky. But this is really pretty. The colors are Nocturnal, Pillow Fight, Break Free, Dark Side, Hide and Seek, Clutch, Flip Out, I Spy, Silver Spoon, Swoop, After Midnight, and All Nighter. So very cute. All night time themed. So that's very cute. It says embrace your beautiful contradictions. Alright, next up we have from Butter London. It is Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. And this retails for $19. Oh wow, that is so neat. Let me get up close so you can see this brush, because this is different. So it's got this little roller at the end, and it literally just rolls on the eyeliner. How cool is that? This is in the color Pitch Black. So this is really different, really neat. I've never seen anything like that. Oh, I'm rubbing, not moving, not smudging, not budging. Okay. I mean, I'm scrubbing and nothing's happening. So this is a game changer here. And like I said, $19 for this. It says quick drying, smudge proof, and guaranteed to last. Kinsley is still putting on blush. Would you like to come sit with me, dear?
No. I want to sit with you.
That's enough blush. Alright, so last but not least is some Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color, and this is in Orchid. So this is going to be a little extra for me. This might end up going to Stephanie. We will see. It is purple. Oh wow. Let's just put it on over this color I got going on now.
I'm sorry, Mommy. I'm sorry. I want to try it. I want to try it.
Hold on.
I want to try it.
over another color, it's not as purple. Let's try it on Kinsley's bare lips. You have to let me do it, okay? She's got blush all over her face. Here, hold your head up. Oh, hold still.
You have purple lips.
I know, you do too. Your little bitty lips. So it's not as purple as this would make you think that it would be.
It's purple. It's purple.
I mean, looking at this, you would think it's like Barney on your lips, but really, this is pretty over the tart that I have on. But even on Kinsley's bare lips, it looked good. You could rock that in the fall without being purple. It's a good fall purple. So this retails for, oh, are you doing my makeup? $19. Chris, add this up in your head. 35, 28, 18, 19, 19.
Won't you say it again? I'll get a calculator out.
35.
Okay.
28.
Okay.
18.
Okay.
19.
Okay.
19.
$119.
So in total, we got $119 worth of products in this box. Kinsley is painting my walls with the brushes, but I'm very pleased again with this month. I like this blending brush. Kinsley's got an all-purpose brush apparently. You can paint walls, paint your lids, paint your forehead. Or your chest, Kinsley. But anyways, I'm going to show you these brushes up close since I got up close. Look, I'll give it right back. So we got the fluffy brush, the like flat painter brush, and then the liner brush. So a good little set here. And this is from the same company as one of the palettes that we received that was pretty bright, but not that bright Laura Lee one from last time. I think it was June or July that we got the other one. So these are a nice little addition to your eyeshadow brush collection. This one's really fluffy and soft, and this one's pretty dense. This would be good to apply my MAC paint pot. I use a concealer brush now, but this one was smaller, so it'd probably help. Oh, girl. We keep adding blush. You are so pretty. Do you love makeup? You don't love makeup? Mommy loves makeup. What happened here?
What is that?
You kissed me.
Upside down.
Alright, so I once again am blown out of the water by this Boxy Charm box. I'm so excited about the Luxe box that they're going to be launching, where they're going to have even more products that I think it's going to be like every 3 months or once a season, something like that. But I'm going to be signing up for that so that I can get those products. I will tell you all about it once I learn more information.
KK's right here. KK's right here.
KK's right there. There is 2 special offers this month. One is from Laura Geller, and it is 30% off with any order of new Filter First Luminous Foundation or Concealer, and that is code BOXY. It ends October 15th. And then Dr. Brandt has a VIP offer that you use at Sephora.com. Search hashtag #SayILoveYou to access a special limited edition microdermabrasion bundle offer just for you. Hurry while supplies last. So that is the back of the card. I know that looks backwards to you guys, but you know what I'm saying. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I always love getting, I've already got a nail print in my blush. I I always love getting this box every month. It always gives me new makeup to play with, and it kind of pushes me out of the bounds of things that I wouldn't normally try, but I found some products that I absolutely love and have made a staple in my makeup routine, such as the Chilla eyebrows. I'm still in love with them. So,
this, Mommy.
I don't think so, dear. You're not getting that purple lipstick.
Oh.
I will link my link in the box below, the description box below, and if you click on it, we both get like some charm points so that we can get free products. So I hope that you enjoy your box like I enjoy mine, and until next time, remember, if you don't have any Kinsley's, please don't do that. She's digging in the candle with one of my new makeup brushes. If you don't have anything nice to say, shut your glam mouth and put some purple lipstick on. Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.